All right, now don't laugh. Yes, I go onto YouTube and I start playing baby chick sounds to help my eggs hatch. Like I said earlier, the sound of the chirping chicks is encouraging to the ones that haven't hatched yet. So sometimes I'll play some chirps. And it's funny, when I do, a lot of times the other eggs start rocking around in there. See that? They definitely respond to the sound of the other chicks chirping. And after your first one hatches and starts clamoring around in there and knocking into everybody and chirping and all of that, pretty quickly the others will start hatching. But not always, but usually once the first one is out, then it goes a lot faster than this. It is now 1600 hours. That's 4 o'clock for you non-military types. Let's see where we're at. There's a whole lot of nothing going on. This one is still where it's at. You know, you can kind of see, it looks like it pipped up there and then like split the egg down here and then pipped again. Hopefully it will start the unzipping and do something normal here. A lot of them are rolling around periodically. Got a whole lot of rolling, a whole lot of peeping, and a whole lot of nothing. I will keep you posted if something else happens. I got one more client, and then I'm in for the night. Look at that. Look at her moving. Come on, girl. Bring it on. It's now 17:30. That's 5:30. Yes, I've been out in the wind. Let's see our progression. Well, a bunch of them have pipped. This one and this one. This one that we've been watching has got a little chip out. I'm still concerned about her. As you can see, you see that membrane right there? And it doesn't look like she has pierced the membrane. So that is still a bit of a concern to me because until she breaks that membrane, she's not going to get any fresh air. And again, it just really looks like she's really doing it backwards. So I'm still watching her with great concern. Hopefully we will have some progress. This one over here is moving around. Of course, you know, as soon as I point the camera at it, it stops moving. I promise that one was moving right there. I don't see that this one has pipped. Can't tell with any of the others. This one has pipped. So, now see these two back here, these 2 or 3 that don't look like they're doing anything, those will be the ones that'll sneak up on you. And all of a sudden you'll hear all this commotion back there and there's a chick popping out and you're like, what? Like these are the ones that are back there. Well, that one just moved, but they'll be back there. You never see them roll. You never see them chirp. You never see them pip, and boop, all of a sudden there's a chick. And you're like, where did that come from? So I'll keep watching them. I'll let you know if anything changes. It's 19:30. That's 7:30 p.m. We've been at this for 12 hours now, and no peepers. But I think things are kind of getting geared up. A lot of them are rocking. Most of them have pipped. And they're rocking away. Come on, let's get this show on the road, girls. These are definitely all hens because they're taking too long to get ready. It's 2100 hours. That's 9 o'clock. And still no peepers. I'm pretty disappointed and I need to go to bed because I'm very tired. I just saw this girl poke her beak out and go back in. That's good. That one, of course, you saw over there. That one's rocking away over there, looking like they're playing seesaw in the inside of that one. I saw this one stick her beak out, which makes me very happy. I can't see it with my own eyes, but when I look at it through the camera, I can see there's a little hole. So that makes me happy because I know she's getting air. This one's been rocking. This one's been rocking. This one's not doing a thing. So the more they chirp, the more it excites the other peeps. That's why sometimes I'll play little peep chirps. Gets them all enthusiastic about coming out of their little shells. Look at that one. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep that egg a-rolling. They'll probably all dadgum hatch while I'm asleep. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Won't you please come out, you stupid birds? Come on out and poop some turds. I need to go to bed. Oh, God, I need to go to bed. Rockin' chicken, tweet, tweedly, rockin' chicken, tweet, tweedly. Oh, rockin' chicken, you are really getting on my nerves. Tweet, tweedly. You rock in the incubator all day long, tweeting and a singing your song. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely bedtime, but this guy looks like it's just really wanting to come out. And I don't want to miss it. Look at that, see? Come on, stick your little beak through. I think that I had mentioned that these would be the ones back here that would hatch without a sound or a rock, but they are rocking like crazy back here. And I think this one might be our first candidate. Rockin' chairs, rockin' chickens, rock-a-bye, I'm tired as the dickens. All right, we are definitely hatching. It's really happening. Coming in at the midnight hour. Look at that. Now you see what's happening here? She's starting to unzip. She'll go all the way around. And then when the egg gets loose enough, she'll begin flexing and she will split it in half. And we'll have a peeper. I turned the incubator around, by the way, so that we could get a good view. All right, you can see that outer layer of the membrane. You see the little beak poking through every few seconds. That's what you want to see. What you don't want is the beak sticking all the way out and hanging out there. That's usually indicative, I think, of a stuck chick. The beak needs to stay inside the egg. And you see she'll turn and then she'll press, and then she'll turn and she'll press, and she'll just basically saw the egg just about in half. You'll watch her. Once she gets that pretty clear, she'll move on and she'll go a little further down and push. Wow, she threw that one. They use a little bony growth at the top of their beaks, the little tip of the beak. It's called an egg tooth. And on some of the birds, you can see it pretty well. I'm sorry, I got a fat cat that wants to be in my lap. Okay, Wally. So anyway, they use their egg tooth to kind of break through the shell. And then, after hatching, a little bit after hatching, I don't know the exact amount of time, but the egg tooth will fall off because they don't need it anymore. chicken out. Yes, there she is. Oh, look at her little foot. That's a big foot. She says, oh, this is such hard work. It's a one ginormous foot. It'll be interesting to see how quickly the others come out. Oh, there's her head. Oh, hey, baby. Hey, sweet girl. See her little egg tooth? The little yellow thing on her nose. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, pretty girl with the big feet. There you go. I'm so tangled up, I don't know which way is up. I got my feet in my face and my face in my butt. Well, there you have it, guys. Our first baby. What do you want to name her? I turned the heat up on the incubator, by the way. I turned it up to 99, which is what it's pre-programmed to. Remember, if you watched my initial videos, that I turn it down to 98 with the hopes of encouraging more females to form. But when they start the hatching process, I turn it back up to 99 just so they can have that additional heat. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I may watch a couple of others and see if they hatch, but really I'm pretty tired. I want to go to sleep. So I'll pick this back up later. Have a good night.